Okay. Jupidu, if anyone can hear me, let me know how bad the quality is. I'm in the internet where it's really bad. Um, I don't know if any of you remember that, but I had to go down to like 480p and like 20 frames per second. It was pretty terrible, but I'll see what I can do. It's not the type of stream where you have to like see my every micro movement like competitive streamers, but as long as you guys know exactly or like roughly what I'm doing. Um, hmm. Let me turn the bitrate down. Usually that helps. Okay. Um, Tell me how the resolution is. I'm at a weird in between setting. Um, 5 months. Yeah, been going for a while. It's hard. Like I don't even know a solid reason why. Um, I kind of went really hard when Overwatch Workshop came out, and then um, took a little bit of a break, which turned into a longer break, and all that stuff. And yeah, trying to take things at a more natural pace now. Do it when I feel up to it, but not over stress about it. All right, so I'll keep these settings for now, but keep me updated. I also have to alt tab in between the chat and stuff, so and I'm also in the Shrewsbury Discord, I believe. Yeah, in general voice. So, I don't know what I'm making. There we go. Good, good, good. Okay. So, I plan to take a look at the workshop again, see all the things that have changed. Thank you. I didn't know this happened. Oh, yeah, that was my #1 requested thing. Editing variable names, because like I had to open up a spreadsheet to keep track of like what everything did. So let's take a look at what this does. Rule 1, super jump. Oh. Jump. The event player, each player. I'm glad they gave you that error message right away rather than when you try and compile it. Is it a force? Is it a impulse? That was it. And direction up 10 relative to world. And then let's make this a variable. The absolute value. Oh. Cool. And then if we renamed that, so player. You can add more variables. Wow. Let's go ahead and change this to jump height. Player variable Z contains an invalid name. Camel case? Okay. Oh. Oh, that's beautiful. Alright, reading messages real quick. Got a private message for a code? Yeah, I'll check that out. So yeah, it'll just...
Justice ain't gonna dispense itself.
Is it just ever so slowly doing that? Apply impulse. Yeah. It's just really slow. Oh, yeah. It's at 0, so. Well, hello, Drooby. Oh, hey, look, my latency is really bad. I wonder why. Probably because I'm streaming. Okay, I'm going to check out that code. Let's go back to lobby. Okay, this looks like something happens to Sigma and Winston. Is it a game mode? We'll see.
Welcome to Blizzard World.
Look, I'm Sigma.
There is no obligation for the universe.
Whoa!
Sense to you.
Oh, you're hijacking Winston. Yeah, I was thinking about making like a video about like that methodology of doing things by like taking another character, but that's really cool.
Back to me.
What?
Enemies detected.
So I can actually tickle him? Oh, that force push. Oh, That happens when I melee, or what? I wonder what that is. Okay, let's see if there's any. No description. Let's take a look. Teleport barrier T1. If button held, secondary fire. It's a character. The black hole is force pull. The barrier is force push. Okay. Well, if I had someone in the game, I could probably test those things out. My thing is a Shrewsbury here, if anyone wants to join. Okay. So for prayer, next force push. Yeah, nice, nice, nice. That's cool. Yeah, I really like the Winston thing. I think that's clever. It doesn't give you like the noises for getting the hit. You know what I mean? I don't know if there's a way you can do that with Workshop, but it's cool. Okay. Is there a way to... reset? I guess I could. Take all of them. And then... well, I guess I'll just do this. Create a new one. Add bots. Oops, sorry. Here.
Welcome to Blizzard World.
For the universe to make sense to you.
Is there a quick command that you have for it? Or do I have to spawn them in? Bots. Create a game again.
Welcome to Blizzard World.
There is no obligation for the universe to make sense to you.
Welcome to Blizzard Well.
There is no obligation.
What am I doing wrong?
Makes sense to you.
Gotta go, bye, see ya. No, just the add bots feature in the game? Man, it's been a bit. Oh, you mean just like bots? Like AI bots. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking. We'll add them to both.
Observe.
Oops. Where are they? Oh, here we go. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's pretty far. And then pulling them is that... Whoa! That's cool. I really like Sigma for that. That's good. And then can I... Oh, where'd my Winston go? Oh, they killed the Winston. That's a rip. Kinda goes a bit too far, but... That's pretty cool.
Activating the.
Yeah, I like that a lot. The teams and the vector? What do you mean? Okay, let me restart so I can tickle them.
Welcome to Blizzard Well. Welcome to Blizzard Well.
There is no obligation for the.
Wait, what was the... It was this, yeah. Left click. Oh, force... Oh, that's like when I have it back up again. Okay, I was confused what that force push thing was. And it pushes both of them back, like, really far. Yeah, they don't like that. Okay. Uh-oh. Come here and get tickled. Nice. Let's get the other one. Whoa! I wonder why I like blip out with the force push because watch this. I like teleport real quick. I wonder why that is. Just press the lightning button again. Oh, they can't kill Winston. That's good. That's pretty good, and I feel like the damage is just normal with Winston. You didn't scale it up or anything. That's probably correct. Yeah, so I like that whole concept of using another character to use their abilities, because it gives that novelty of, you know, having like a new ability on Sigma. Like, oh, what if Sigma had like Force Lightning? It teleports the barrier at a random place. Oh! So what you're... Oh, okay, okay. So what I bet you're doing is you wanted the animation of him putting his hand out like this, but you didn't want the barrier to deploy. So you teleport Sigma to, like, out there. He throws the shield. You teleport him back, but he's still locked in this animation. That's clever. Yeah, I've thought about that a lot, where, like, you can't really control animations, and that's kind of a... Oh, well, I guess the barrier came out. That's clever. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can start working on something. Exit. Okay. What do I want to do? I think... I want to make some sort of game mode. Made a lot of heroes in the past. Let's start with a map. That's a good, weird way to start. Let's pick anyone have any preferences on a map? I'm also making a Battlefront 2 game. That sounds pretty dope. Let's go... what's the best? The best is King's Row. King's Row Winter. Let's just do King's Row.
Now entering King's Row.
Oh, Busan. I like Busan. Well, I'll do King's Row. So you're asking about like that Mora video I made a long time ago, where you can force chokehold with her right click, and then you're seeing about like you move the camera and your target goes with you; it doesn't stay locked. That's a good question. I'd have to look into that. What you would probably end up doing, if I can kind of give you like a verbal direction, is you somehow have to capture the direction you're looking. So say I'm like looking this direction, and then you'll have to then capture a space that is 10 feet away from that direction you're looking. So it's possible you have to use like you take your direction, and then to that you add it's like the direction you're facing multiplied by a certain value, and then you add that and you'll get this this like space right here, and then as it changes it should update. And then to the character that you're holding, if you can somehow get that, I think in that script I used if damage being dealt to like the taker of the damage, then you'll have to like apply a force towards that direction, that square that you have. So you have to keep this in a variable and do a similar thing, or like force a throttle. No, not force throttle. You just add an impulse towards that spot. I think that would work. I don't know the code. Okay, so I was thinking, or I am currently thinking, about making some sort of game mode that could maybe help people practice like certain areas of the map. So maybe it restricts a certain zone, and you're forced to play within that zone to practice playing in that zone. Or like a situation simulator, so it like starts with everybody in a certain situation, and then you can play it again and again to see how you would play that situation. Or something I've always thought about, this is very ambitious, but who cares? I figured out the part where it goes to the reticle, but I can't get it to stay within a radius. That's smart. Oh yeah, I forgot that like my stream is probably like 30 seconds delayed. So something I've always thought about is, you know, the replay viewer, and you can see your own games. I really like that. But what if you could like reconstruct a certain time stamp in that replay viewer and like play it out? That's probably not possible. Let me mess around with the you know that whole Fortnite game mode where you like close in the circle? Zone. Border. Zone. Wait. How did that work? Fire Dome. Global variable A will be... Wait, shoot. Dome size. So dome size is slowly getting smaller. Let's just...
Welcome to Blizzard World.
Oh, I thought I had restricted. Oh, I guess I rewrote everything. So, there's the dome. Okay, so let's modify this. First of all, King's Row. That comes in pretty fast. Okay. And then let's have it not shrink over time. And therefore we don't even need these. So this is initialize dome. Let's create dome location. I don't need the sound. That'd be distracting. We'll keep this rule where you can step out of it and just take damage. Okay. And then we will also set global variable dome location to... We'll have to figure that out. Oh yeah, like vector, and then we'll capture that.
Now entering King's Row.
Could you make a video on how to create bots, dummies that move and attack the player when in POV? I'm trying to make an RPG mode, but can't seem to figure it out on my own. It'd be interesting if you have the bots around the map and each character, if you have... Oh, if you have dots, like you mean spheres around the map, and each character has their own positioning zone. Jones, what do you need with your game mode? Okay. Yeah, I've actually, that's been on my bucket list, making like an NPC bot. It's quite extensive because all the Dummy Bot gives you is just like the character model, and then you have to control everything about it. But I might get into that. Alright, let's go ahead and mess around with this for a bit. Actually, that sounds interesting enough. Let's figure out that bot thing. Okay, let's think about this. Do you have a preference on which bot you want to be the NPC? Like which character? Turn it off. And then let's add... Not any is fine. Let's do, what would be a good basic NPC? Let's do some soldiers. Okay. So... Ooh, no, what? Create dummy bot soldier. Soldier 76. This'll probably be... Let's go team all. Wait. Sure. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and change our settings. Modes to... Deathmatch. Never mind. Skirmish is fine. So...
Now entering King's Row.
Okay. I'm still going to do soldier, and... What am I doing wrong about spawning these guys?
Fighting for what you believe in.
Do I have to put that in there?
Now entering King's Row.
Oh, it's like the game mode hasn't started yet. Let's go ahead and just change it to deathmatch.
Arriving at Chateau Gia.
Yeah, I'm working on that.
We're all soldiers now.
How do I get my bot in here? I'll probably just use Shadow Gia if we're doing kind of like a... Whoa. Simulation. And... Oh, wait, why did I pick soldier? So I will go, if I'm fighting a soldier, I'll go like Hanzo or something.
With every death comes honor. With honor, redemption.
Arriving
No.
at Oasis City Center.
Chateau Guillard.
Arriving at Chateau Gia. Prepare for battle. Select your hero.
Do I have to wait? Make it spawn. Oh, yeah, that's smart. Glad I have you guys.
3, 2,
So
fight.
each player that's playing in slot 0. You gotta do like the button thing. Crouch. Create dummy bot. Did it create? By the it did create it. So we'll still restart it and use it. Use the new way.
Arriving at Chateau Gia.
Okay. Might as well change the name of my stream so we know what we're doing. Edit. Dummy bots. Dummy bot NPC. And let's see if oh my gosh. No time. Okay, you can lower the wait time in the hero select. They added that and all that stuff. I probably won't need that. Well, I might. Oops.
We're all soldiers now.
Oh, they're all... I didn't spawn it in my location, so they're all, like, waiting somewhere. Man, it's these little things. Here they are. Look at that. Let's make that the thumbnail. Change thumbnail. Pictures, screenshots. Sounds good to me. Hello, have you tried Paladins yet? No, I have not played Paladins. Gotta go, good luck, thank you. Alright. Oh yeah. It's just a dopamine machine.
Triple kill.
You can get just a steady stream of happiness. Okay. So we got our bot. Now it's gotta do stuff. Let's actually make it our location. So position of event player facing the facing direction of event player.
Arriving at Chateau Gia.
Alright.
We're all soldiers.
Boom. There he is. Okay, so let's think this through. Movement would be an entirely different mechanic than shooting, I would assume, at this point. So we could do movement first, and then shooting, and then ability usage, and that's a character to me. So let's go ahead. I don't need these. What slot is he in? We should probably... I'm trying to see... Oh, wait. I think it's like... Is there scripts that's specifically like when I start as a bot? Or probably if bot? Yep. If I'm a bot, let's call it move for now. So, also, I don't want these. I could have reset to defaults, but whatever. They also add Dummy Bot Event Player. Hello? Create a HUD on bots showing the slot of bot. Okay, so... It would make more sense if we rotated the facing direction towards a point of interest and moved forward. So... let's have a loop. If how do I say, like, if I can see a character? Alright, let's just loop something. And we'll wait a minimum amount of time. Okay, and then sets the facing of one or more players to the specific direction. What's that? Set. Okay. Event player 2. Oh yeah, raycast hit player from the eye. Let's see what this looks like first.
Arriving at Chateau Gia.
I will protect the innocent.
If is dummy bot. Oops. That'll be it.
Arriving at Shadowmere.
Justice ain't gonna dispense itself.
Hmm. Um. It's not doing that. Yeah, made facing action at the top. Man, it's been a while. Um, let's debug this
Arriving at Shadowmere.
and set myself as soldier. Yeah, I'm locked in his thing, I believe. Unless I'm not. Oh, wait. No, I'm just locked. Okay. Oh. Sorry. So it's direction is different than position, and it's translating it all weird. So is there a different thing where I can look towards a specific item? Oh, here we go. I think that's it.
Arriving at Shadowmere.
Direction towards, yep. Whoa! Whoa! I don't think this was there when I was there. That's pretty weird. Okay. Let's... Well, this isn't too bad. Turn on...
Arriving at Shadowmere.
So they'll always turn towards me. That's scary. And that... Let's say... What would be a good hero to play as in this scenario? Who hates Jack the most? Probably like Reaper. So... I'm trying to decide if I want to have like Soldier go and hunt all the Reapers, or what? Oh, that's not working. It's probably looking at the other bot. Okay, so let's do this. If... Oh, wait. Is it, loop if player closest to reticle of the event player is equal to hero Reaper.
Arriving at Chateau Dia.
All right. You put the player at Soldier 76, so it only works for Soldier. If an event player isn't Soldier, it doesn't work, I think. Filtered arrays. Oops. Already messed up. Gotta play Reaper.
Redemption. Death walks among you.
But now they facing each other.
Double kill.
Okay. I could cheat and just go hero Reaper. Make this an if or a loop, sorry.
Arriving at Chateau.
It laggy, yeah, my internet's very bad.
Walks among you.
Oh yeah. Now they mad. Okay. So we have that, and then now we need to add an if. Yeah, I think we do need a loop if to test if our raycast hit. So so the player hit by the raycast or null if no player is hit. So we'll start it at the I position of the event player and go towards players on hero, Reaper, so I think that works because it's a considered a 1, like considered a true if it hits something, and then if it doesn't hit anything, it won't loop. Alright, so now this is so hard to, if you can't see me, I think it did it. I think it did it. Okay. If we put a guy here, he's looking at me, right? And we no longer look at him. We sneak up on him. Yeah, he's like, oh, there you are. Okay. Works. And then let's have him throttle. Start forcing throttle. Direction towards event player, and players on hero, Reaper, and then oh, here's something we could do, and then we could stop if we get past it. So it'll keep looping, and if it doesn't loop, then it'll go and it'll stop it. Hola, hello everyone.
Death walks among you.
Hey. Alright. You guys gotta be slower, or else I can't test this. Well, I do get an army. This is cool. Whoa. What about you guys? What's wrong with you? O is my... Oh. We need to start if, okay. If, oh wait, no, it's already in an if. Raycast. Hit player from the I position of that to players on hero. Reaper. I think that does it.
Arriving at Shadow Gear.
How does array contains work? Contains. Oh, like if it contains something? Well, you have an array of something, and you can check to see if a certain value is in it. So if you have an array of heroes and there's a McCree in it, you can check like if array contains McCree and it'll return true, and it can run a script, or if it's not in there, it could not. What am I doing wrong? Oh, it's doing something weird. It's starting and stopping. Well, let's just see what happens if we get rid of that.
Arriving at Shadow Gear.
I apologize for the quality.
Death walks among you.
So... oh, yep, here he comes. So it's like only if... I don't know, he's so weird. It's only if you like get right in front of him. Like I don't know what's causing this. Oh, these guys are funny. Alright, let's make your movement speed slower. Set move speed to 50. No. 50.
Arriving at Shadow Gear.
Death walks among you.
Oh, that happens to me too. Wait. Spawn a soldier. Slaughter. A spawn of 76. And then... Soldier. Soldier. And... If you're a dummy and you're a soldier... I've been spelling soldier wrong, but I don't care.
Arriving at Shadowmere.
Alright.
Death walks among you. Hey.
Why is it so, like, his crosshair needs to be on? Here he comes. Like, that's very odd. So if I break line of sight, they're still gonna come. Okay. Ooh. All right. Wait, I don't know if I even need this loop, because this will keep triggering. I think once it's on, it's on.
Death walks among you.
Yeah, it's the same thing. So I just need to have a, when it's false, turn it off. Okay. So we need... false. And... stop facing. And stop throttle. Do not believe we need anything else.
Arriving at Shadowmere.
Death walks among you.
Okay, so... oh, it shouldn't be raycast hit. What am I talking about? Wait. Raycast hit player, eye position of the event player. Do a workshop hacks number 2. There's an idea. So the problem is I literally have to be where he's looking for him to do anything. What if we changed it to not the eye position, to just the position of the
Arriving at Shadowmere.
Death walks among you.
Ooh. I'm confused. Oh, okay.
Arriving at Shadowmere.
Death walks among you.
But now the true test is if oh yeah. It's like, oh shoot. Okay, so now we gotta change it back to eye position for soldier. Um,
Arriving at Shadowmere.
Death walks among you.
Better go away.
Comes.
Okay, so He moves directly because, like, here. Like, you can do that, which is not very nice. So pathfinding algorithms are probably very difficult, unless there's just a thing for that. Nope. Okay, and then we'll probably have let's copy this. Call it shoot. Let's see what happens.
Arriving at Chateau Gia.
Why the potato quality? Yeah, my internet is not the greatest, so that's probably why the potato quality. In your raycast vid, you said that you have to multiply raycast by 1,000 so that it goes on forever until it hits something. You're right. I did say that. Yeah, I'm still trying to shake off all the dust. Are they actually gonna hit me or what? It's funny that they hit each other. Press the button. Can I make this? Start holding button. There we go. Stop. Sprint. Yeah, I'll see. If for some reason it seems like the raycasting thing is working fine for now, but yeah, I did have that other method in that video. We'll see if we run into problems. Okay.
Arriving at Chateau Gia.
Oh, here we go. They kill each other too, which is kind of... That's pretty scary. Did they respawn random places?
From the shadows.
Alright, now it's a game.
Much better.
So, if anyone... this game's open. I'll make it Shrewsbury. If anyone wants to play this, if you play a Reaper, they'll hunt you. Oh, there they are. Oh. When I crouch, it does that. Oh, that's sad. I tried to crouch to just, like, get out of line of sight. Oh, that's rough. This is not an even matchup. Maybe I should make him deal less damage. Let me get this health back first. Oh my.
Move out.
Oh, okay. Hero limits. Yeah. Hero. Where is that? That's in game modes. Hero limits off. Cool.
Arriving at Shadow
Oh, I forgot to change the health. Let's do this in codes. So something... Well, yeah, we'll do this in code. Set damage dealt to... Let's do actually 20%. No, let's not. 25. Like, you want it to be, like, NPCs are supposed to be nowhere near as good.
arriving at Shadow.
I'm a PS4. Do not the oops. Okay.
Death walks.
Mortal Core. Come join me. What's wrong? Oh, wait a minute. It could have messed it up. Oh yeah, he's just shooting you. Sorry. Oh yeah, we can hit each other. So it seems to only be targeting Mortal Core here. Hello.
This is how it should have been.
It should probably be... Okay, so... Oh, yeah.
Death comes.
False. Looks good, looks good, looks good, looks good. Okay, so now what it'll do is
Arriving at Shadow.
it'll try and look at the closest player to it unless it's soldier, because we don't want them to just shoot themselves. Okay. And if we have two, they'll just shoot me. Great. Oh, it'll shoot you now too, Mortal Core. So good luck with that. Let's just spawn a bunch. How many can you have in deathmatch?
Prepare for battle.
Oh, now we have a full team.
Select your hero.
How do I make dummy bots move? I can show you. I'm almost to like a good build of this code, and I'll share that code in a bit. But all I had is force throttle, or just add a throttle to that dummy, and it'll go in a direction. And what I have it do is just go forward and try and look at me at all times. So right now we got just a bunch of soldiers, and I can even test this out with other heroes now. So oh, I should probably do player closest to reticle. Oh, that's you. That's you. Because it doesn't make sense that it would try and target the person like directly behind the bot rather than the one he's looking at. But where are they? They're just at like the random spawn locations, I think, and they haven't moved because they don't need to. Oh, there they are. So I'll go ahead and share this code as a quick build. So here's the code. I'll copy it in chat. If anyone wants to try that. So what changes do I need to make? Oh, 6 per team, or like having teams. I could do that, but not yet. I would like to change turn radius to maybe 200, and then oh, wait, it is closest to reticle. Okay. I think it's because you put a dummy bot in slot 0, or what's because?
Death walks among you.
Double kill.
Another one off the list.
This is my problem. I don't even like develop because I'm so. Oh, I bet what was happening right there is Mortal Core was closer to Soldier, but he wasn't visible, so it was still waiting to see if it could see him before it even checked to see me because he was closer. Or he was closer to the reticle is what I meant. So that's definitely a bug that we'll have to fix. Let's go ahead and show some of these. Because, yeah, he's just targeting him right there. Bugs to fix. How do I go down a line? Bot targets player to reticle even if that's a good way to put it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so I'm probably going to be ending this stream about now. And I'll keep a note for that. I'll save this to at least mine. We'll call this Soldier Bot NPC so I can work on it later. Not quite sure when I'll continue on that. Not saying I will, but if I get a chance to work on a video, what would you guys prefer? For just like a normal video uploaded. I think things I've thought about are like just favorite codes that I've seen in the Discord, and I'll just go through some of the codes, like a top 10 or something. Somebody mentioned a few tips for the workshop, like time-saving tips. There's maybe just another tutorial for a hero thing. I could do a tutorial on this Dummy Bot thing. Ooh, I should try and ult. Yeah, see, he don't care. Oh, that's funny. Because he'll, like, point towards the other Reaper. But it'll only shoot when I'm there. That's weird.
Much better.
Alright. Well, we'll see what I get time to make. But, let me just ult on one soldier, and then that will be the stream for today. Alright. Thank you, everybody. It's been fun. Good to be back.